Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add Google Analytics to Google Sites. First, go to sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add Google Analytics on. Now, click on Settings, then go to Analytics. A new window pops up. Click on Analytics. And here you need to fill in your Google Analytics tracking or measurement ID. To get this ID, simply go to analytics.google.com, then click on Create and select Account. Now fill in your your account name. For example, what is the name of this website? Let's use the custom domain benstestinghosting.com. Let's give it this name, Ben's Testing Hosting, and click on Next. Give your property a name. Your property is your website. So in each account, you can have multiple websites under it. I will call it benstestinghosting.com. Here you can set your time zone and click on Next. Business details. Here it is good to select your correct industry in order to have good benchmarks, because with that data, Google will tell you if you're with the average, above the average, or below the average of your specific industry. In my case, this is Ben's testing hosting, so it is a little bit marketing or electronics or computer. Let's see if I have marketing here, finance, internet, telecom, law, online communities, reference, science, shopping, travel, other business activities. So I will select the closest one, which is online communities. Small, hit Next. Choose your business objectives. I will select traffic, click on Create, accept the terms and hit I accept. Account and property created successfully. Start collecting data. To set up data collection for your website or app, choose from where you will be collecting data. I will collect it from the web. Set up your web stream. Here, fill in your website address www.benstestinghosting.com. Stream name my website. Click on Create and Continue. Close this setup Google tag window, and your measurement ID will show up. Copy this measurement ID just like that. Go back to Google Sites and paste your measurement ID here. As you can see, automatically they enabled the analytics for you. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. As you can see, automatically they enabled the analytics for you. Close this window. Site analytics are active now. Now all you need to do to start seeing your data is to wait. Now click on next. Data collection is pending. You successfully created your account and property. It may take up to 48 hours before your property starts collecting data. Click on continue to home, and just like that you can now start seeing your website traffic or yes, traffic here. As you can see, the account name is Ben's Testing Hosting, and the rate I have my property, which is benstestinghosting.com. Click on open and you will see your Google Analytics. And this is how to add Google Analytics to Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.